Hi there, my name is Julia Higgins and I'm the Director of Sales here at Two's Company, and I'm joining you today from our Atlanta showroom. I am in the fabulous world of Cupcakes and Cartwheels. So this is our baby, tween, kid division, and we have a little bit of something for everybody here. Really fun items like pins with feathers. We also have puzzles, interactive game sets, educational things, and just really fun whimsical things that even appeal to adults. So I'm going to take you on a quick tour of the room. I'm going to be joined by our president, Tom Gottlieb, and he is going to talk a little bit about some of the features of the items we look at.
Here is part of our new series, which is all of our activity kits. This is actually a puzzle. It's also a activity kit interactive. It comes with flashcards, and the kids will color in the flashcards, learn about the animal that's there. These are all North American animals, and then they get to put a puzzle together. On our Dinosaur Kit, this is a game. So you get the dinosaur puzzle, you put it together, and once you get it together, the kids can now play a game. So it's a great interactive puzzle. We did a space version of that, celebrating all the different planets, and there are things to learn throughout the puzzle. These are just some of the puzzles and interactive kits that we have. This is hole-in-one golf or soccer or bowling kit, and these are just toys that come, great stocking stuffers and things that the kids can have fun with, or the adult. Let's see how Julia does here and see if she can get that in. Okay, so Julia, just a little more practice that you need to do, but it all is a compact little kit. For the younger ones, we have a maze wooden puzzle. This is all made out of all natural wood. It's a really great quality puzzle, and when you turn it over, the ball will trickle down and go throughout. This is actually a puzzle that comes again also in the suitcase. You can make a few different animals with it, and then you can also hang it up after you put the puzzle together. So it's a mosaic puzzle. It makes 4 different animals that you can put together. It's a great project, not just one puzzle, but multiple, and then you get to save it and put it up. And again, the suitcases that it comes in can be colored as well. So we're using a craft suitcase to make it a little more eco-friendly. Here we have a suitcase where you create racing cars. That we're done with all natural wood toys, and the concept is to decorate the car, and inside you can build your little kind of garage where everything sits. It comes in a little, again, suitcase. It's the car race kit. This is a fishing game. Some of you may remember this. Again, all of our signature packaging, craft plus. This you would color in. Each of the wood pieces you can color as well. They have magnets on them, and here you just play fish, go fish. And there it is, and each person gets a wand and can fish for different fish, different color fish. And let's see, and when you're done, it has its own little storage thing. So if you don't save the bag, it comes with its own self-storage bag, which makes it so much fun. I love the pinwheel flowers. Each of the petals you paint individually, and then it's so cool to see once you put it together. The kit has a few of the different things and sparkles that you would use to create it, but a lot of people have their own things that they want to add to it themselves, and this will just get you started. Kids are always dressing up in costumes, so here we have our Galaxy costume. It comes with all the elements. You get the cape and the cuffs and a few different things to add and color in. And by the way, that sun, when you push it the other way, will change color because of the sequins. And then you would color this in. And so we have actually a mermaid one that we're doing very well with. And that has, again, the same type of thing, and you'd wear that around your waist. Dress up as the mermaid. Comes with the sequins and all the different things. And it comes with something to put around your head. There, the mermaid crown. And there it is. Julia, you're doing such a great job at showing us. And again, all of these come in our signature packaging. We have some fun straws that you would blow into, and the spaceship there that you build onto the straw flies away. We have some craft animals that get put together. Again, all of these are interactive, great toys for the kids, all safe, and all thinking about the education factor that happens in terms of toy creation. Great packaging, and all of our products show the years. This is 4+, So it's easy in the store to recognize if you're shopping for a 4-year-old. All of our packaging is age related that you see there. The collection goes on and on. We have a vast array of over 400 products. This is our shark, little shark toy there. It comes in a great display container right there. We have a lot of different themes as well that are very popular with kids. Our building blocks are tiny, tiny little Legos. They can be built together to make all different types of animals and objects and things. This is our flashing light up ball, and inside it has an LED light and a fish. It's been a classic with our company for over 10 years on that item. So it's amazing sometimes to see the life of some of our products. This is one of those fossil projects that you have to slowly excavate, and it comes with the tools and things that you use to excavate. It's all done out of a soft stone material, and there's a surprise inside once you get down and complete your excavation project. So all the tools are there, and all of this is done with thought in mind in terms of the education factor for the kids that we are stimulating here and inspiring. We have a whole collection of mermaids. We try to pick themes that are certainly popular and trending, whether it's llama, mermaid, unicorns still are so strong. I love the way the sequins go back and forth, and the pillow has tooling on each side, and you can see how great that looks. Kids love this changing sequin back and forth. Girls really do love to dress up, and so here's simple ways. This is our crown, headband, dinosaurs. Certainly lots of kids into that, and so LED is important, so we try to add that action thing for kids' toys as well. We have a whole dinosaur collection that you can see here. We have another headband here with the celebrating flamingos. One of our classic items are our wish bracelets, and these are things that kids and families wear, and they are meant to be worn until they break off, and when they break off your wrist or you naturally kind of disappear, your wish comes true. And so each color represents a different wish, and there are 12 different wishes in that collection. We have things for girls' power. We have things for a whole collection of inexpensive bracelets and jewelry for kids, all safe and all adjustable, and celebrating different themes and colors that kids are into. Kids love food-related things. These are just wonderful lip glosses. There are 4 different lip glosses in there, so it comes assorted, all in that container. It's a multi-purpose case, and kids have so many little things. I think they're always, looking for some place to store and keep them or even hide them away. This is a wonderful party favor, and that's just the flamingo is just one of the animals that you can build in our collection. I think there may be 8 different animals that are in this collection.